Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Mate.
Today I, Roja, and my friend Pratona will let you know some idioms and the way of using them.
In some cases, we got to use many idioms and expressions to sound more engaging. That will be quite helpful to you all guys.
So guys, what are you waiting for? Without any further delay, let's get started.
Pretty penny.
I paid a pretty penny for the book.
Foul play.
There is too much foul play in football.
Evil days.
After losing the job, the man fell on evil days.
40 wings.
Now I am going to catch 40 wings.
Clouds on the horizon.
There was only one cloud on the horizon.
Spill the beans.
Don't spill the beans, okay?
Break the bank.
Potters don't need to break the bank.
Break the ice.
Ronnie tried hard to break the ice.
It's not rocket science.
It's not rocket science, but it just might work.
A wet blanket.
Nobody asked him to join the group because he's such a wet blanket.
Miss the boat.
They missed the boat when they didn't apply for the job in time.
Under the weather.
I'm under the weather now.
The ball is in your court.
We did what we can, and now the ball is in your court.
In conclusion, I would like to say that you can use them in your daily conversations and in your writing, also speaking. So that's all for today. Take care. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.